This native orchid stands out and shines through with its gorgeous persona of daring, vibrant violet shade flowers and fragrant aroma. To achieve a calming and relaxing effect, therapeutic orchids are included, but beyond that, they are also of great medicinal value. Here are some of them that you will find in Woody 4. This therapeutic orchid contributes greatly in treating many illnesses and diseases, from persistent coughs, fevers, and ulcers to facial acne and skin ulcers. It is also known to be effective in curing menstrual irregularities. The whole of this orchid is regarded as anti-heat and anti-toxic, cooling the blood and detoxifying. A decoction is often made with this plant as a remedy for phlegm and sores. The beauty of this Woody 4 composition is intensified with the use of myrrh and opoponax, which are some of the additional ingredients. A classic and ancient perfume ingredient, myrrh, has a rich history and has been valued for centuries. Myrrh has been used throughout history as religious incense, in perfumery, and for medicinal purposes. Myrrh has long since been used in traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurvedic medicine, known for its antibacterial properties. When burned, it can help to purify the air, curbing the spread of bacteria that can lead to diseases. Some records show that this fragrance oil could help relieve pain and swelling as well. With an earthy, warm, and musky scent, myrrh provides warmth and depth to any fragrance. A cousin of myrrh, opoponax, is a resin which possesses warm, balsamic, and sweet, honey-like aroma. Traditionally, this herb is used to treat arthritis and is carminative, which can be used to treat stomach ailments. Here's a fragrance that envelops you with a rich, earthy, and sensual aroma, while exuding a lingering sweetness. An unforgettable scent, Woody 4 is for the lady who likes her scent to linger long after she's gone.